You better not get that. Your brother will get you. Ah, ah. Ryan, come and see Mom. Come and see me. Ah, ah, ah. No, no. Ah, ah. What are you doing? You know Eli will get you for that. Oop, oop. Oop, oop. Oh, oh, oh. No. Oh. What did you do? What happened? Are you sweet as honey? Ryan. Hi, Dee. What is that, Ryan? I don't know if that's got you or not. But let's move some of this, Ryan. We will get in big trouble. We don't want to get in trouble with that Eli. He's been kind of grumpy. All right. Ryan, what do you have? What is that? Are you sweet? Come crawl to me. Let's crawl. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Rai. Come on. Come on. Yes. Come on. Yeah. Good job. Good job. Did you get to it? All right, big stuff. Ryan. Smile for us. Everyone wants to see you smile, Ryan. You want some lunch? Ryan, Ryan, we want to see your face.